everybody, it's April from Dragons and Dresses Craftsorium, and today I'm going to show you how to use the compact molds from Beebeecraft. Now each one did come with a comb mold as well, and I'll do those as well, but you just fill them up with whatever you want, dust them, whatever. This one to me looks like a seahorse, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but to me it looks like a seahorse. But stay tuned to the end and you'll find out. Okay, this is a rose compact and a geometric compact, and they do come with the little mirrors that go with them, which I have the round mirrors right here somewhere. Oh, there they are. Okay, well, it comes with the mirrors. They are not glass, they are an acrylic mirror, so it's good for kids, and you put them in the top of it when it's done. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and dust this one and show you how I do it, and then I'll do this one off to the side. I'm just putting a little bit of the silver holographic in there, just a little bit, and you take a nice soft bristle brush, which I happen to have plenty of. But do you think I could find one when I need one? No. And then you just make sure that you get it in there all around. I'll get this dusted and I'll be right back. And when it comes to the rim right here, what I do is I flip it out a little bit, make sure I cover it. And as you go along, the other part will close in on itself. Oh, and I got sparkles everywhere. Ooh, y'all, it's stripper time. I should have put my paper down, but I didn't. And give it a good burnish. Now there is another little piece right here. That is your hinge. If you want to burnish it, you can. I'm probably not. I'm just going to make mine clear. To tell you the truth, I've already made these, but I wanted to show you how to do this, and I really like this one, so I'm going to go ahead and do this one again. That way I can show you how to put them together. And then you dump out your excess, because if you don't, you know it's going to bubble on you. Here. Let me get this cleaned up and I'll be right back. Okay, now that that's all nice and burnished and dumped out and tacked out so that there's no extras, I'm going to use UV like I said, and I'm not going to squeeze the bottle, I'm just going to open the top. Pour a little bit in there. You want to do it in layers if you're doing colors especially, but this is clear and I'm still going to do it in layers. Okay, we're going to make that go around. I'm going to use my heat gun here real quick to get this down here in the side. Now what I did notice with the other one is that it could use a magnet. So let me get a magnet and I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken one of these magnetic discs like this that you get from Amazon or wherever. They're self-adhesive, but I'm not going to use the adhesive on them. I am going to peel that adhesive off. And I did cut one in half. Now I have some rare earth magnets that are very small that I could have used, but I can't seem to find them at the moment. Okay, we're going to stick, whoop, it's sticking to my blade.
Leather and silk in a symphony clash, creating beauty from a chaotic stash. Not just colors, but techniques about.
And if you notice, they do stick side by side. Okay, so we're going to put this one in the top and this one in the bottom. This one we're going to go on the top.
She's the crafter of dreams, both weird and
tweezers are right here.
Chaos is more than mild, from thread to bone.
Laying that right there in the top crease, inside the resin, so that it sticks. I guess that wasn't a very good use. thing to use. Let me get a toothpick out, because it just wanted to go with the blade. Okay, so it's too far down in there, so we're going to stand it up right like that. Hopefully it is level. Alright, I got to put it in the next. Oh no, it goes in the top. That's right. It sinks to the bottom because it will close to the other way. Okay, so we got it right there.
She's the crafter of dreams, both weird and wild, in a world where chaos is more than mild. From thread to bone, in her magic spy, her eclectic works at the heart on fire.
Curved part down. Right there. Okay. I'm just tapping around the inside. Tapping around the inside perimeter so that there's no air bubbles. Okay, I'm going to cure this real quick, and then we'll be back for the next layer. Okay, that layer is done, and it is. Oh, I can never see anything. This is done. I will put this back in for another 5 minutes after the end so that I know that it's completely cured. Alright, we're going to do another layer. I'm going to layer this up, and then I will be back with you guys when it is completely full and we're ready to assemble. Okay, I will put this in the light and I'll see you then. Alright, now that that's cured, I cured it all the way for about 10 minutes. It looks like there might be a bubble underneath there. We'll see when I open it. I'm going to take it out. Well, it's smooth, but there's a bubble, and of course I have to clean it. I'm going to take it out, and I'm going to cure the other side also for 5 minutes, and then I'll be right back. And here's that little piece. It's the hinge. It's difficult to get out, but if you take your finger and you push on both sides of the support, it pops right out, where you can grab a hold of it and pull it right out. Of course, I need to make sure that that's not sharp right there, and then we'll come back to assemble. Now that those are all cleaned up, I just took my craft blade and I just scraped along the edge. You can do it with a deburring tool or whatever you choose. But you take the top. Now it does have a mirror that goes in here. I don't want the mirror on it, so I'm not going to put it in. You can E6000 the mirror into it. It's not a big deal, but I'll show you at the end of the video here what the other one looks like with the mirror in it. Okay, the magnets. It looks like I'm going to have to put more than one magnet because it's not, with the resin in between, it doesn't hold very well. But we haven't put this in yet. So these are your pieces as they come out of the mold like this. See? And you take and you get all of your edges off, and don't forget to clean this little spot right in here out from the resin. Now you take them and you lay them together like this. Okay, now all you have to do is put the hinge on, and there is a certain hole. It goes in those little holes right there over the little bar, and you have to make sure that the big section goes to the outside. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it in there with a little bit of UV resin. I have ordered some of the bonding resin, so it would be perfect for these items like this. Just a little bit of resin on the edges. Stick it over the hole. Oh, make sure you put it in the right way. Stick it over the bar and into the holes. Push it down and UV it. Okay, I'm going to get that done and I'll be right back. Oh, wait, here's my light. I can do it while we're here together. Just cure it like this. Don't forget to check out Beebeecraft.com for all your crafting needs. They have everything you need, or most things that you need. They have molds, they have seed beads, they have kits like this, they have UV resin, they have light boxes, storage containers. Go check them out, you guys. I did get a crochet kit, but with my arthritis hands, I'm not able to really do it. It took me a month just to do one. So I'm hoping that I can get a video made for that. If not, then I will get someone else to make the video for me that can crochet. Okay, and it should be done. Short. And there we go. And magnetic closure. Okay. And I will show you at the end the other two. You guys have a great day, and I will see you on the flip side. Well, here we go. I went a little overboard. I know that with all the layers. Excuse me. But I had to. My granddaughter wants this one, and I tried putting a reflective paint in this instead of the mirror, but then she decided she didn't want that one anyway. She wanted the flower one. But that's what I did to the flower. I put a little bit of dark on the back so you can see it through. But she wants it to just pretend play. She's 5, so she doesn't need a mirror anyway, especially a glass one. So that's perfect for her, and that's the way she wanted it. She wanted those colors, and it turned out really, really cool. Now, I am going to figure out a way to put a magnet inside the mold on both of them, or maybe just, I'll figure it out. Trust me. Rare earth magnets are great. I'll see if Beebeecraft has any, and if they do, I'll put the link down below and let you know. But that's the rose one. And this is the geometric one. I'm not quite done with this one yet, I don't think. I want to put some lines on there with the black marker. Let me get one out and we'll do that together. Okay, so I have an oil-based paint marker here, and I'm just going to trace through there. Just to get all these geometric lines done. Now you can do however you want to do it, but this is for my purse because I really like this one. Of course, I'm getting it in there, but now I want to take and wipe off the extra off the top with a paper towel with a little bit of alcohol on it, because until it dries you can do that. And then it just stays down in the grooves. I'm not going to do them all, I just wanted to do those. So there we have that. And let's put the mirror in this one. Like I said, I tried to put some reflective paint in there and it just didn't work. But then she wanted the rose one anyway. I think I have some silver foil paper that I'll put in there for her. Oh, these aren't even glass, they're acrylic. Oh well. If they're acrylic, then I don't mind. Okay, so what we're going to do is I took one out, and I'm not going to peel the front backing? Yeah, that's the way you do it. The front paper plastic off, but I am going to try to get this open. Okay, and we got the E6000 open. I'm going to put a little on here. I don't want too much that it's going to squirt out, so I'm kind of rubbing it down in there because I did sand this, so it'll be all in the nice grooves, and just a little bit on the back of that. Give it a minute while I put the top back on. If I could make a top for these that doesn't stick, where you have to use pliers to open it, that would be absolutely wonderful. Okay, now here we go. Lay that in there like that, just like it goes. Press it down. And then we have a little compact with a mirror. Look at how adorable that is. That'll be perfect for my purse. Okay, there's that one. Now they did come with a comb one. Now this silver one came with another mold, was a comb mold. And this is the back of it. When I looked at it, I saw a seahorse. So I made it into a seahorse. Put a piece of white behind it so you can see it. And we'll zoom in a little bit better. Look at how cute. I painted with the black UV around the mane and the eye, and I gave it the body and a little tail, because that's what it looked like to me, was a seahorse. Now the red one, the one that came with the rose, was just a little weird, a little shape to it, so I made a mountain range on it. And my grandson loves this comb. He wants that one for his backpack for school. So this is what I created with the molds from Beebeecraft, the compact molds. These are so cute. Go down and check them out. The item number is right up here on the top of the screen. It should be rolling right there. and check out Beebeecraft.com. Don't forget to use my link below. And you guys have a great day. And if you can make one person laugh or smile every day, then your day has been worthwhile. And I hope I've done that in some small way. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.